Hi everyone, I'll be adding Kali Linux on Virtualbox. Kali Linux is a Linux distribution designed for pen testing, forensics, ethical hacking, and security research. What's great about it is that they provide the VM image so that you can quickly add, then start it up. It's available for VMware, Hyper-V, and QEMU, quick emulator. I'll be doing this in Virtualbox. There are some limitations when it comes to direct access to the hardware as it's a VM and depending on what you want to do. But also because it's a VM, I can have it running alongside Windows, so there's no need to dual boot and spending time to install or booting it as a live CD. So if you're first getting started with Kali, or if you want to quickly spin it up and know what you need to do, then this would be great. First, I'm going to download VirtualBox, virtualbox.org. I'm going to install it. I'm not going to start it up. Finish. Now I'm going to go to kali.org and I'm going to download and go to virtual machines. And so I'm going to do it for VirtualBox. All right, it's done downloading. I'm going to extract it here. Okay, and here are the two files here. There's the disk image and then there's the configuration file. So I'm going to open up VirtualBox now. Go to Add, Downloads, Kali Linux. Pick the config file. And we can see here that 2 gigs has been assigned and there's 2 CPUs. And then the hard disk size, it's 80 gigs. And now I'm going to start it. And the username and password is Kali. Okay, so it's booted into Kali Linux. I can open up the terminal and I can run the commands, nmap, for example, John, SSL scan, and I can go into Firefox here. And we have Kali bookmarks at the top here, Kali Linux, Kali tools, etc. up here. And I'm just going to close it. So that's it. That's how you can quickly get Kali Linux up and running on VirtualBox. I hope this was useful, and I thank you for watching. Bye now.